Understanding the phrase, cushy job. Hello, English learners. Today, we'll dive into a fun and commonly used phrase, cushy job. By the end of this video, you'll understand its meaning and how to use it in your conversations. Let's get started. The phrase, cushy job, consists of two words. 1. Cushy. This is an informal word that describes something that is easy, comfortable, or pleasant. 2. Job. A regular activity performed in exchange for payment, typically referring to one's occupation or profession. When combined, cushy job refers to a job that is easygoing, not too demanding, and comfortable. Often, it's a job where one can earn a good amount of money without too much hard work or stress. To better understand the phrase, let's look at some example sentences. 1. After years of hard work in the industry, she finally landed a cushy job with great pay and fewer hours. 2. He doesn't want to work in the field anymore. He's looking for a cushy job in an office. 3. Many people believe that celebrities have cushy jobs, but they often work long hours behind the scenes. It's important to note that just because a job seems cushy to an outsider doesn't mean it actually is. Every job has its challenges. The phrase is often used in a light-hearted or envious tone, but it can also be used sarcastically or critically to imply that someone is lazy or not working hard enough. For example, she only got that cushy job because of her connections, not her talent. Thank you for joining us in exploring the phrase, cushy job. We hope this has given you a clear understanding of its meaning and how to use it. Remember, language is not just about words, but the context in which they're used. Keep practicing, and soon, you'll be using this phrase like a native speaker. Happy learning!